loud, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Murderers wake up dead.
Having people come here and they realize that we aren't racist. We don't care. You know, patriotism has nothing to do with skin color. It's got to do with rights. And God gave those rights to us.
Hell yeah.
The government can't take those rights away. And we wrote that into our Constitution.
I like that.
Trump ran was fired. W turnout. Trump 2024.
You talking? What did he say, Z? Because I don't know.